Everyone is looking for how to earn some extra cash. Reason why in our last video, we shared 10 side hustles that you can start with little or no money from the comfort of your home. If you've not yet watched it, click on the top right corner or on the link in the description to do so. The next question which most of you ladies and gents asked was, how can I get paid while in Cameroon? Are those side hustles really lucrative in Cameroon? Before we get to that, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new here. Let's get started. Can you really make money in Cameroon from online jobs? The answer is yes, and you can also get paid online while in Cameroon. Side hustles such as blogging, vlogging, online tutoring, digital marketing, social media management have one thing in common. They're all done online. All you need is a laptop or a smartphone with internet access. Distance is not a barrier. As long as you're willing to put in the work, the money will follow. An online job is useless if you can't get paid online, right? This brings us to the next question. How can I get paid in Cameroon? Here are 3 payment methods you can use in Cameroon. 1. PayPal. PayPal is one of the most popular online payment systems in the world with over 200 million active accounts worldwide. Yes, it's available in Cameroon. You can create an account for free on their website. It should be a business or merchant account so that you can receive payments from clients online. PayPal is used as a payment method in most popular freelance websites including Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. After signing up to Fiverr, for instance, you can use your PayPal account to receive payments from the jobs you do there. The link will be in the description box. 2. Payoneer. Like PayPal, Payoneer also offers online payment services. It's based in the US, but it's available in over 200 countries worldwide, and it processes payments in about 150 currencies. That includes Cameroon, of course. The good thing with it is that you can receive payments from countries worldwide as if it was happening locally. It's already being used on popular platforms such as Amazon, Google, Airbnb, or Newegg. That means you could become a seller on Amazon, for instance, and get paid. All you need to do is sign up for an account on their website, which you can then use on Amazon. Please leave a comment if you need more information about this. And once more, the link will be in the description. 3. Using a third party. This method is tricky because it requires knowing someone based in the US. This person could then create a business account in their name on websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, or Amazon for you. You will then be doing the work in the background using this person's identity, and of course the payment part is solved since the person is in the US. At this point, this third party can then withdraw and transfer the money to you through either World Remit, Western Union, or any other trusted international money transfer method. For this to work, there has to be a high level of trust between both parties. You need to trust someone to willingly put your identity on the line for them. This will usually be possible among family members. However, it could also happen with friends. The odds of finding such a person are slim, but it's possible. To make the deal more appealing, you could offer a small percentage of your payments to this person, say 10% or 5%. That gives them skin in the game to keep them motivated to help. Given all of the above, you really have no excuse not to start a side hustle in Cameroon. Distance can be a barrier in our world today. If you still need more help getting started, feel free to drop a comment. We're here for you. Do you know any other online payment methods Cameroonians could use? Please share in the comments as well. Our community needs this. And as usual, like this video and subscribe for more enriching content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, best tech remains your best bet.